guys, it's Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the Colourpop Strawberry Palette. So if you want to see how to get this look well, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. The first shadow I will be getting into is Woke, and I will also be using the number 18 Pro Blending Brush from NYX Cosmetics. So I'm taking the tip of my brush onto my eyelid, blending it in swiper motion. I'm going to blend it over a little bit. I'm focusing mostly in the outer half of the eyelid, like this area, and then in this section here I'm just lightly blending. It's all light, but this is extra light. So extra light in the inner part, and then mostly focusing it on the outer part. This is in the crease, above the crease, kind of even on the brow bone. The next shadow I'll be getting into is Shake It Up, and I will also be using the E2 blending brush from Colourpop. This is like my favorite sort of three-part eye look I'm going to be doing. With the tip of my brush, holding it directly like toward my face, kind of like a pencil, I am blending in the outer corner in swiper motions from the base of the outer corner to the brow bone, eye socket, not the brow bone, the eye socket. What am I thinking? The crease. And I will also be using the number 18 Pro Blending Brush from NYX Cosmetics. So as I've switched my brush, I've added more of Shake It Up, I think maybe just 1 or 2 taps, and I'm basically blending out and blending away, really diffusing this eyeshadow. Very gently as I go to the corner, I want to focus on bringing it kind of like up to the corner of my brow, but not too much. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. And for the shimmer shade, I will be taking Delish. It is now shimmer time, so we're gonna get into our shimmer. I'm just gonna use my handy dandy finger. I'm just pressing it onto my eyelid in the center, and then I'm going to press it and slightly blend it into the inner corner. And then I'll start to sort of press it up a little bit above the crease in my eye. And I'm gonna pat it up as I do that. Pat, 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 pat. And I will also be using the number 18 Pro Blending Brush from NYX Cosmetics and a little bit of Shake It Up. And I will blend the outer edge here, just so everything's nicely diffused. And if I want to build up Shake It Up, or no, that was the other one. If I want to build up Delish a little bit further, then what I will do is take a fluffy brush, spray it, and add even more, which I think I'm going to do. And I will also be using the E2 blending brush from Colourpop. Okay, so I'm going to take it into Delish, spray away. So I'm holding it horizontally or parallel to the ground, and I'm swiping Delish onto the center of the eye and moving in swiping motions this way into the inner corner. And I will tilt my brush toward my face, holding it like a pencil, bring it up above the crease. Just the same sort of motion I did with my finger, but with my brush to intensify it, adding even more with the blending brush and the spray. And voila, a makeup miracle moment has occurred. And with that, we have these lashes, which are a collaboration between my friend Maya's Makeup. Maya, that's her Instagram, Maya's Makeup, and she also has Twitter and YouTube. Go ahead and check the links down below and check her out. Oh, the lashes, their name is Manifest from the company Drench Cosmetics. So she did collaboration, so I am sporting her lashes today. So I'm mixing Woke and Shake It Up together, and I will be using the Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection, brush number 5. Mostly pressing it in the outer corner, but also bringing it in a little. And then I'll use a brush. Which brush shall I use? And I will be using the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush to blend the lower lash line. And blend it up into our whatever this is, the wing of the eyeshadow, yeah. And for the shimmer shade, I will be taking Delish, just a little tiny bit. And I'm also using a new brush, I totally forgot. It's the Zoeva 230 Luxe Pencil Brush. For mascara today, I'll be using the Thrive Liquid Elastic Extensions. If I'm gonna wear false lashes, which is most of the time, I'm going to definitely put mascara on my lower lashes. For lips today, I'll be wearing this combination of the Thrive Lip Liner in Jessie and the Colourpop Lip Gloss from the Strawberry collection in Easy Babe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial using the new Colourpop Strawberry Shake Palette. And yeah, let's get into, well, let's get into talking about some of the products. I don't know why, but palettes just seem to be the most important part of a collection. I mean, our eyes like are pretty important on our face. So what do I need to say about Colourpop eyeshadows? They're all like they're good. Shimmers are beautiful, mattes are beautiful, they're super pigmented, they're easy to like blend. Just like, I think I already put the two jellies away in my jelly drawer. It's like a jelly and pigment drawer. One is strawberry jam and one is strawberry jelly. Strawberry jelly is a little bit more pink red, and then the strawberry jam is like an orange, pink, gold, peachy beautifulness. Like, it's so pretty. I really like the strawberry jam jelly so much. It's really, really pretty. And then there is this. So Fourth Ray, like their aesthetic is so pleasing to the eye. Oh, I love Fourth Ray. Colourpop, so fresh, so clean. Fourth Ray beauty, it's mixed together. The lip scrub is from Colourpop, and then the oil and the milk is from Fourth Ray. I really do like the milk. It's really nice to put on before makeup, so before my foundation. I love the oil because I love putting oils on the under eye. Yeah, I love it. The sticks, I love the sticks. I love the blush sticks and the highlight sticks, or the light sticks. The light sticks are amazing. They're gorgeous. Star Bright is in this collection, and that is my favorite light stick, and I think my favorite highlighter stick of all time. So that's amazing. I really, really love it. The light stick is beautiful. 25.8. The blush stick, I haven't tried that yet, but I've tried other blush sticks like Mercy Me and Splash, and I love those. Those are beautiful. Cream products are so beautiful to incorporate into your makeup. So yeah, I love this. And the light stick's so good. The best cream highlighter stick I've ever tried. There's blushes too, which is so cool. I really like it. I don't know if I have every single thing from this collection, but I think so. I think it's a lot of the stuff. So there's two blushes. So there's like a pink and then a pinkier or darker pink. I thought it was nice. I don't like to put too much blush on. Sometimes I do, but I use the lighter pink and I liked it. I don't know. I think I have to use these a little bit more. There wasn't any issues. There wasn't anything like, wow, spectacular. Lip. This is the second time I've tried a ultra glossy lip, I think. I tried the pinkier one, which is Easy Bake. Oh, so pretty. I love their So Juicy glosses. Let me see. I haven't really looked. This is so pretty. I like the finish of it. It's not breaking apart. This one, not my personal preference. Like a summer look, like, yeah, maybe. But I love this one. This one's really, really pretty. This is super, super cute. The silver and pink design. I love that. So that is it for today. If you did like this tutorial, and if you like me to kind of talk about my first thoughts, I didn't get to this video as fast as I wanted to because I had a lot of things I had to work on. So that's why I didn't go through like a full, and I don't do that normally. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll branch out into the full collection try-on thing. If there's anything you are like interested in picking up in this collection, comment down below. And yeah, that's it for today. If you did like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys. Oh, and follow me on Instagram at Nessa Sunshine. Oh, and TikTok. I just started with TikTok. I don't even know what I'm getting into. So that's that. TikTok, Nessa Sunshine. Nessa Sunshine on Twitter, but with an underscore at the end. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.